How to start a paid community on Skool for free. I'm going to show you exactly how we've built a community on Skool and how you can get started with your own paid community and get it for free. So let's jump in and let me show you why you should listen to me. We have two communities on Skool. We have the YouTube Free Mastermind, where we've got 350 members in it at the moment. And then we've got our YouTube Mastermind Premium, where we have 29 members in it. And why this is so exciting is we currently have the Skool Games on that Alex Hormozy and Sam Ovens and Andrew Kirby are all running. And there's some really exciting stuff happening in there. And you can have a look at how everyone is doing inside the Skool Games, because every month they have a competition to see who can generate the most monthly recurring revenue with their paid community. And look at how most of these guys are making over $10,000 a month. So there's so much opportunity to create your own paid community and to start growing your income online. So what do you need to do in order to create your own community and make sure it is for free? So what you get when you sign up, you get a 14-day free trial, and after that it is $99 a month. So what we need to do, the game plan that I'm going to share with you today, is sign up for the free trial. And then I have a system that you can implement in 14 days so that you can take your paid community from zero to over $100 a month, so that in essence it is actually free for you to have your paid community. And the best part about it is that your revenue will become monthly recurring. So if you charge a subscription per month to be part of your community, and it is then recurring, so you keep making that money every month. So if it costs you $99 a month, and say you sell your community for $50 a month to be in your community, as soon as you have 2 members, it is essentially free, and everything after that is then profit. And that's where we want to get you to in order to grow your monthly recurring revenue and have a paid community that functions. And the best part is you can be friends with everyone, because the people in your community are doing what you enjoy. So our community is all about YouTube creators and starting and growing your YouTube channel. We love making videos, and that's all we talk about every single day with everyone that is inside the community. The cool thing about it is you have the community side, so everyone can post and share in your community. Then you have the classroom, where all the course content is that you can get into. Then you have the calendar, where you can have live calls with your community. We have 3 live calls every single week. And then we have our monthly mastermind for YouTube every single month. And the leaderboards that are there, the fun thing about the leaderboards is you can see you earn points for engaging in the community. So there's always excitement around creating posts and commenting on everyone's posts. So what do you need to do to get started? I'll leave a link for you down in the description, and that's going to take you over to the sign up page. And if you don't know what you want to call your group yet, you can change this later. So decide on the name that you want to start your community with, enter your payment details, and then click Start Free Trial. Then once you've started, what you need to do is come on and jump into our community so that you can send me a message to say that you've joined and you've created your community using our link in the description down below. Once you've done that, you will have a button here to be able to chat with me. So you don't have to join our community, but you need it in order to be able to get this, so you can send me a message to say that you've joined and you've created your community. The other way to do it is to get into the Skool Games group. So from the Skool Games community, you can then search for me inside of the members. If you search my name, Karl Bro, I'll come up, and then you can click on my profile here, and that will then have the send a message or start a chat button here, and you can send me the message to say that you have started the community. So it's a really exciting place to be and a really fun place to be. You can see in the Skool Games there are over 18,000 people that have joined and created their own community. And if you want to see the different kind of communities that are available, you can go into Discover Communities and you can have a look at all the cool communities that you can be a part of and you can join on Skool, and it can also give you some ideas of what kind of community you would like to create and build for your very own YouTube channel. So if you have any questions or queries about starting your own community, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. And if you're interested in creating, starting and building your own profitable YouTube channel, then come across and join our community. I will also leave a link to that down below. We have a great group of people in our community, all creating videos and growing their YouTube channels together. So I look forward to seeing you inside there, and we'll see you in the next video.